Well, hurricane, the very name itself conjures up images of mass destruction, a very powerful force of nature that destroys property and changes lives. But hurricanes are actually helpful to the environment. Weather Authority meteorologist Kevin Raymer has some answers in this Safe from the Storm special report.
Although hurricanes often do cause much harm, these massive tropical cyclones also bring many great benefits to Earth's ecosystem. According to scientists with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the most important and absolutely necessary function of a hurricane is to transport and redistribute building heat from the equator to the north and south poles. This is critical for balancing out temperatures around the globe while lessening hot and cold extremes. Hurricanes are also a very important part of the Earth's water cycle. As Mobile, Alabama's National Weather Service Science and Operations Officer Jonathan Howell explains, evaporation from the ocean's surface plays an integral role in weather patterns around the globe.
The atmosphere wants to be in balance, and in order for that to happen, the hurricanes can be the great equalizer. They can transport large amounts of heat and moisture from the tropical regions poleward, and what that does is it helps to keep keeps the Earth in balance, keeps the atmosphere in balance. If we weren't able to transport heat and moisture northward, weather patterns and conditions would become imbalanced, and we wouldn't be able to generate the type of weather that we get today.
Additional rainfall from tropical cyclones gives a great boost to wetlands and flushes out lagoons by removing waste and weeds. Wind and waves from hurricanes bring sand and nutrients from the ocean floors to regenerate and replenish barrier islands. The additional sand and sediments allow islands to rebuild and not shrink and sink. By churning up the ocean's surface water, hurricanes break up bad bacteria and red tides, which can be extremely harmful to beaches and coastlines. So what would Earth be like without hurricanes? Well, subtropical and tropical regions like South Florida, the Virgin Islands, the Bahamas, places like that would be too hot for humans to survive. And subpolar regions like Alaska, for instance, and Canada would be too cold. So the bottom line is this: hurricanes are a very necessary part of Mother Nature to sustain a healthy eco-environment and a healthy Mother Earth.